Hello students, welcome to our E.V.S class. This is our video number 3 of lesson number 3, the food story. So, uh, let first, before starting today's class, let's recapitulate some points plus know the answers of the questions given to you yesterday. So, yesterday we have learnt about what is cooking. Cooking is the process of converting materials raw food into edible food, and plus we have learnt about what is raw and cooked food. Raw food which is not heated or cooked, and cooked food means which is cooked properly on fire. Plus we have learnt about the uh, utensils used for cooking. So in early times we use utensils made up of clay and sand, but nowadays we use utensils made up of steel, aluminium, and we use various utensils like kadai for deep frying pakoras and french fries. We use tawa to make rotis at home. Plus pressure cooker is used for steaming food. We make dals, rice, and we can boil potato in pressure cooker. Plus we have frying pans at home which are used for frying. So plus other than this we have serving spoons. We have serving spoons and serving spoons, rolling pins, and knife in kitchen. Nowadays we also use electrical appliances like microwave, toaster, and mixer grinder. So I have given you 4 questions. I have given you some questions for homework. So let's discuss those questions. So let's discuss the answers. Try to write the answers of the questions given to you in homework. Practice those answers. Okay. So let's discuss. Question number 1 was, what is cooking? Answer is, cooking is a process of converting raw food into edible food. Cooking is a process of converting raw food into edible food. Edible, E-D-I-B-L-E. Edible food. Okay. And it kills germs. So question number 2 was, what is the difference between raw and cooked food? So raw food is the food which is not heated or cooked, and cooked food is the food which is properly cooked on fire. So, and question number 3 was, name any 3 utensils used for cooking. You can write any 3 utensils which are used for cooking. It can be tawa, or tawa is also called griddle. Griddle, kadhai, frying pan, pressure cooker, knife. So any 3 you can write. So now let's start today's class. In today's class we will learn about the various methods used for cooking, like boiling, frying, steaming, baking, and we will learn about different cuisines. At last we will learn about how we can be fit and healthy. So let's get started. Our first topic is various methods of cooking. Before that, we should know why we cook food. Cooking improves the flavor and appeal of food. That means cooking improves the flavor. It gives a flavor to the dish, plus it makes the food look good. And Cooking makes food safe for eating as it kills germs which may present in food. Microorganisms are the small germs present in the environment. So cooking makes food safe for eating as it kills germs which may present in food. Next, cooking makes food easier to chew and more digestible. I have taught you in the previous class that cooked food can be easily digested. That means if the food get properly digested, that means all the nutrients are absorbed by the body. That your body get all the nutrients. Now, various methods of cooking. So we will discuss 4 methods of cooking. First is boiling. Second is frying. Third is steaming. And fourth is baking. First is boiling. In this method, food is boiled and cooked. It is one of the most common methods of cooking. We can boil food items like potatoes, pulses, eggs. See, potatoes are being boiled. See, you can see the bubbles because of the heated water. Boiling eggs. Second is frying. To fry food, we put a lot of hot oil and it gets cooked. See the oil, and it gets cooked. We generally use a kadhai or a frying pan to fry things, to fry food. Next, frying is of 2 types. Frying is of 2 types, shallow frying and deep frying. Now question arises, what is shallow frying and deep frying? So in shallow frying, the food is cooked using a small amount of oil. In shallow frying, the food is cooked using a small amount of oil. But in deep frying, this is deep frying. But in deep frying, the food is cooked in a lot of oil. For example, pakoras. In deep frying, we need lot of oil. So this is the difference between the two. This is the example of deep frying because in it you can see lot of oil. So in deep frying, a food is cooked in lot of oil. For example, pakoras, french fries need lot of oil, puris. This is the example of shallow frying. See the quantity of oil. See, oil is little bit oil, small amount of oil can be seen. So in shallow frying, the food is cooked using a small amount of oil. For example, tikki. You can make tikki by shallow frying. Steaming. Yes, steaming. In steaming, food is cooked with the help of steam or water vapor produced by boiling water. Yes, you can see the steam or vapors over the lid of this container. Steam, the moist water. See the moisture, the steam, vapors above the lid of this container. This is what steam is. In steaming, food is cooked with the help of steam in a pressure cooker. See the pressure cooker, see the steam, the vapors coming out of the pressure cooker. This process is called steaming. Idlis and momos are generally cooked by this method. Yes, this method of cooking is healthier because not many nutrients are lost in this process. That means in for example, in boiling, lots of nutrients which are present in the food get lost in the environment because of coming with the reaction of water. But in steaming, what happen? Steaming is more healthier because in this nutrients are not lost in this process. Most of the nutrients are present in this process. Next is baking. In this method, food is cooked in a hot oven. This is how we make different food items like bread, cakes, and cookies. In this process, what happens? The heat inside the oven generated by the electricity is used to bake food. So these are the 4 different methods of cooking. Learned from the video that there are 4 methods of cooking: boiling, steaming, baking, and frying. In boiling, what we do, food is boiled and cooked. For example, we can boil potatoes, vegetables, eggs. And next is frying. In frying, what we do, we used to fry the food in a hot oil, and this is how food is cooked. And it is of 2 types: shallow frying and deep frying. In shallow frying, small amount of oil is used, but in deep frying, large amount of oil is used. And next is steaming. Steaming is what? In steaming, what happens? Water, boiling water, rushes up in the form of steam, in the form of vapors, and then the steam carries heat to the food, and this is how food is cooked. So by steaming we can make idlis, momos, and it is also the healthier way of cooking because in steaming not many nutrients are lost because but in boiling, what happens when food comes in contact with water, its nutrients are get lost. But in steaming, when food doesn't come in the contact of liquid, it is coming in the contact of steam. So that's why in steaming, nutrients are present in the food. They doesn't get lost. So that's why steaming is healthier for cooking. Next is baking. In baking, we used to bake the food in microwave oven. For example, we can make cookies, cakes. So these are the 4 methods of cooking. And next we have read about the cuisines. Each state, region, country have different style of cooking. So cuisine is a style of cooking that is found in specific region, state or country. Each state, region and country have its famous dishes. For example, parathas, lassis are famous cuisines of Punjab. West Bengal has basti doi. States like Assam, Sikkim have thukpa, momos as the special dish. Plus Kerala is famous for appam, puttu. So these are the cuisines which are famous in different regions or states. Now international cuisines. So examples of Chinese cuisine are fried rice, noodles, and examples of Mexican cuisine are burritos, tacos, fajitas. So plus examples of Italian cuisines are pasta, pizza, lasagna. So these are the different cuisines famous in different states, regions or country. Because cuisines. A cuisine is a style of cooking that is found in a specific region, state or country. That means cuisine is a specialty of different states, different regions or different countries. For example, in Punjab, paranthas, lassis are very famous. So these are the cuisines of Punjab. Mishti doi is the best dish of West Bengal. Rasgulla or Rosgulla. So Mishti doi and Rosgulla are the famous cuisines of West Bengal. So these are all Bengali cuisines. Northeastern states such as Assam and Sikkim has thukpa as their specialty. Thukpa. Thukpas and momos belongs to the northeastern states like Assam and Sikkim. Appam. Appam is a dish from Kerala. Appam. This is puttu. So appam and puttu are the specialty of Kerala. That means puttu and appam are the cuisines of Kerala. Now some international cuisines. We have done the Indian cuisines. Now come to the international cuisines. That international cuisines have also become popular in India, like Chinese, Italian, Mexican, American. And Chinese cuisines, examples of Chinese cuisines are noodles. Noodles and fried rice are the examples of Chinese cuisines. Examples of Italian cuisine are pasta and pizza. Pasta and pizza are the examples of Italian cuisine. Examples of Mexican cuisine are burritos. Burritos is an example of Mexican cuisine. This is fajitas. Fajitas is also a Mexican cuisine. Fajitas, Fajitas, fajitas is also a Mexican cuisine. Now our last topic is how we can be fit and healthy. So we can remain fit and healthy by following some points. And these points are: we should drink at least 7 to 8 glasses of water daily. Plus, we should chew our food properly so that it gets digested properly in our body. Plus, we should avoid junk food. We should exercise regularly and have sleep for 7 to 8 hours. We should eat lots of fruits and vegetables. So, uh, if we follow these things, then we can be fit and healthy. So, with this, our lesson number 3 is over, and now it's time for homework. So, questions for homework are: question number 1. Define frying and its two types. Define frying and its two types. Question number 2 is: define cuisines by giving examples. Question number 3 is give examples of Italian cuisine. So that's all for today. Thank you.